Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On this channel we talk about life, food, family, and fun. And today we're going to talk about how you can cover scratches in your hardwood floor with food. Wait, what? Want to know what I mean? Stay tuned and let's do this. Alright, don't forget to subscribe, and when you do, hit that bell so that you're notified of every video that I post, which happens every Tuesday and Thursday. I would love to have you join this family. Okay, so for Christmas, we kind of have a Griswold Christmas. We have a 12-foot Christmas tree that's artificial that we put up, and needless to say, it's heavy. And when we went to take it down on January 1st, we laid it on its side, and the base, which is metal, scratched my hardwood floor like this much. Almost 2 feet of a scratch that ran straight across my hardwood floor. And we have dark hardwood floors, and that scratch turned that part of the floor into light oak color. So I started researching how I could cover that up, and I came across food. Now, I'm not talking about letting your kids eat on your hardwood floor and spill everything and then, well, it's covered. Not that kind of food. What I came across was mixing white vinegar with olive oil. You mix equal parts of that up and then use a rag and run it all over the scratch, and it is covered. Now, it did not claim to fill in the scratch. If you looked at it at an angle, you would still be able to see like the dent from the scratch, but you wouldn't be able to see the scratch anymore. And so I thought, well, I have that in my kitchen. Let's go see if it works. Now, before I show you the footage, it was really dark in there, and the floor is dark, and so the footage is really dark, and I'm hoping that in editing it'll lighten up a little bit, but if it's really dark, I'm sorry, but it did have a really big scratch in the floor. I'm hoping you can see it. Take a look. So this totally covered it, and I was really impressed. But then I thought, well, I mean, if I put water on it, would it just darken it because it was absorbing the water? And what's it gonna look like a week from now? Is it actually going to last, or is it just gonna be kind of last for an hour and then not work? So what I did was I waited for 6 weeks. And after 6 weeks, I went back and filmed to see if you could see the scratch after 6 weeks. Take a look. So there you have it. I'm totally impressed. You can cover a scratch with food, with vinegar and olive oil mixed together, and use a rag. And it's still there 6 weeks later. I'm totally impressed. I can't believe that worked, but it totally works. 2 thumbs up, holy grail. Now, I also just read that you can fill in the scratch with crayons. Where do people think of this stuff? So I may try that in a future video. Give this video a thumbs up if you want me to try it and see if it works. You basically take your crayon, you fill it all in with crayon, and then you take a hairdryer and you melt it all in, and then you buff it out, and then it's all filled in. So you take a crayon that's the same color as your wood floor. I don't know if that works, but give this video a thumbs up if you want me to try that out on that scratch and see if it actually fills it in. Otherwise, that's it for today's video. I hope that this has taught you something new. If you have a hardwood floor and you get scratches in it, just use some food. Otherwise, I hope you're having a great day. Stay inspired, and I will see you in the next video.